Assalamualaikum. Here is Roshni with CID News Network Islamabad. Today's English headlines. PM laws overseas Pakistanis after remittance break all records. Prime Minister Imran Khan took to Twitter to share data of remittances Pakistanis working outside their country sent back home in March 2021. FIA summons Jahangir Tareen and son tomorrow. The Federal Investigation Agency has summoned estranged Pakistani Tehreek-e-Insaf leader Jahangir Tareen and his son Ali Tareen and the JWD Group Secretary Shahid Salim Rana tomorrow in alleged fraud and money laundering cases. Bilawal Bhutto tears up PDM show cause notice in PPP CEC meeting. Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari tore up show cause notice served to his party by Pakistan Democratic Movement over Senate opposition leader appointment. Yasmin Rashid warns of complete lockdown if COVID-19 SOPs violation continues. Pakistan to get 15 million doses of vaccine, FM announces after meeting with German counterpart. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi announced Pakistan will receive 15 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine under COVAX. PPP is resigning from all posts of PDM, announces Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has announced that his political party is resigning from all posts of the opposition alliance Pakistan Democratic Movement. This is the end of today's news. If you didn't subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe it, like it, share it and comments on it. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. Take care and stay tuned with CID News Network Islamabad. Goodbye.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.